Kim coming at you with another GPI video. So today we're going to be telling you about a project we started working on last week. You can come over and see that last week we made a bunch, almost 200 grab and go seed bags for you all. So in these bags, which we're going to be passing out with the school lunches on Tuesday of next week, are a bunch of different seed packets. Now in here you can see that in this specific grab and go bag, we've got lettuce, we've got tomatoes, we've got cosmos, we've got zinnias. So we've got lots of different veggies and flowers that you're gonna get to plant in your garden. Now something that's really great about planting food in your garden and seeds in your garden is getting to watch them grow. So you plant something, a small seed, and you get to watch it grow. And if it's a vegetable, you get to eat that eventually, right? Which is really awesome, really, really rewarding. And it's really cool to be able to go in your garden and make observations daily. You can see the different growth in the plants. Sometimes they change colors throughout growing. Sometimes, or they're gonna hopefully change in height. And sometimes they change in texture. So you can go out and you can make observations verbally, right? Or you can go out and you can write them down if you've got a science journal or a journal at home. And another way you can track growth and observations of a plant is through a graph. So on here, you'll see we created a graph to measure our cabbage growth of our plant. So on here, you'll see we've got our title on our graph, and we titled our x-axis down here as day for the plant that we measure. But that's once our plant has sprouted. And then you're gonna see over here on the y-axis, we've got the height of our plant. And we're gonna measure that in centimeters. Now, if you come look over here, you'll see we've got our cabbage that we planted. And today's our day 1 of measurement. So you'll see over here, we've got our ruler, and we're gonna go measure a little sprouted cabbage plant. And you're gonna see it looks, wow, it's almost, I think it's perfectly 1 centimeter. So, as you can see on our graph here, we're gonna go to day 1. And we're gonna point, here's day 1, right? And you're gonna see on our height here in centimeters, it's gonna be at 1 centimeter. So we're gonna go up right here, and you'll see our fingers meet right at that cross right there. So we're gonna go ahead and make our first data plot right here. And so hopefully in the future, this plant's gonna continue to keep growing and growing and growing, right? So on our daily graph, daily, we're gonna keep measuring, and we're gonna keep plotting those data points, and hopefully on this graph, we're gonna keep going up and up and up and up, and we're gonna see that evidence on our chart here, on our graph, and we're gonna see the evidence in the plant as well. So what we're gonna do is we'll take a picture of this and post it with our video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we look forward to seeing all the plants that you grow. So thank you everyone, and we'll see you soon.